In a world where innovation meets high-stakes financial maneuvering, Tesla has once again pushed the boundaries of executive compensation. Today, we explore the unprecedented $1 trillion pay package announced for Elon Musk, a plan that not only raises the bar for executive rewards, but also introduces a unique challenge in the form of a CEO succession planning requirement. This report delves into the intricate details of Musk's compensation, the inherent complexities of leadership transition, and what this means for the future of corporate governance at one of the world's most innovative companies. At first glance, the staggering figure of $1 trillion might leave many in awe. Yet, beneath the surface lies a strategic clause. Musk must develop a comprehensive succession plan, ensuring the continuity of Tesla's leadership when the time comes for a change. For Tesla, this is more than just a financial arrangement. It is a bold commitment to long-term stability and robust governance. The announcement immediately raised pressing questions among business professionals, investors, and governance analysts. How will Tesla manage the delicate balance of rewarding its iconic leader while paving the way for a seamless transition in an era marked by rapid innovation? As we journey through this narrative, consider the inherent tension between maintaining continuity with a transformative figure like Elon Musk and preparing for a future that may require equally bold leadership. Tesla's decision to tie executive rewards to critical operational milestones, ranging from elevating the company's valuation to an astounding $8.5 trillion, selling 12 million vehicles, to deploying 1 million robotaxis, speaks volumes about the company's ambitious vision. Yet, interwoven into these financial achievements is the crucial demand for a formal CEO succession plan, a stipulation that reaffirms the gravity of long-term strategic planning in today's volatile market environment. The essence of this directive is straightforward but profound. It mandates that, as a condition for unlocking the final tranches of his compensation, Musk must outline a clear roadmap for leadership transition. On paper, this is a sensible inclusion. Every successful corporation understands that a leader's departure, whether planned or unforeseen, must be managed with precision. However, the real challenge lies in the identity of the successor. Could anyone truly fill the colossal shoes of a figure whose very persona is synonymous with Tesla's brand and innovation? Industry experts have shared measured opinions on the matter. Tim Quigley, a respected professor of management, has highlighted the critical nature of this transition, emphasizing that the incoming leader will be faced with unprecedented expectations. Whoever would want to come and fill his shoes would have a lot of questions about how much autonomy they would have, Quigley observed. His insight underscores the enormous pressure faced by anyone positioned to succeed Musk, a task that is as daunting as it is historically significant. This succession planning requirement reflects an acute awareness by Tesla's board of the need to safeguard the company's resiliency, ensuring that the vision for Tesla continues unabated, irrespective of the individual at the helm. Yet it is important to note that neither Tesla nor Musk has signaled an imminent leadership change. In fact, Musk recently asserted his intention to remain at the helm for years to come, provided he is physically able to continue. This reassurance, echoed by staunch investors like Alexandra Merz, reinforces the notion that the succession plan is more a long-term safeguard than an immediate call for change. As Merz noted, the measure is not intended to affect a near-term leadership disruption. Rather, it exemplifies a prudent approach to strategic planning that many forward-thinking corporations adopt to protect their legacy and future growth. The narrative here is one of striking contrasts and delicate balances. On one hand, we have Musk's monumental pay package loaded with futuristic milestones, and on the other, a subtle but powerful directive to establish a leadership transition plan. This duality reflects Tesla's unique positioning. The company is both driven by the disruptive vision of its CEO and anchored by a commitment to sustained corporate governance. It is this balance that defines the innovative spirit of Tesla, a company that is not just content with breaking records, but also with setting benchmarks for leadership continuity in a rapidly evolving business landscape. As we examine the specifics of this pay package, it becomes clear that the roadmap is dotted with ambitious targets. Among these are the aim to boost Tesla's market valuation to $8.5 trillion, a milestone that speaks to the deep trust and expectations placed on Musk's visionary approach. There is also an aggressive commitment to selling 12 million vehicles and pioneering the use of 1 million robotaxis, a feat that, if achieved, could revolutionize mobility as we know it. With each milestone, the stakes are raised, and with them, the implicit requirement that Tesla carefully nurture its future leadership. The final 2 tranches of the compensation scheme, contingent on the completion of Musk's CEO succession framework, serve as a powerful reminder of the interconnected nature of executive rewards and corporate stewardship. The succession planning requirement, while seemingly procedural, is steeped in broader implications for corporate governance. It reinforces the idea that even the most successful and high-profile leaders cannot be taken for granted. Instead, organizations must continually prepare for a future where leadership may evolve. The clause is, in essence, a call for organized resiliency, a mandate that every tactful board must consider both the legacy and longevity of their leadership. Meanwhile, the discussions among financial experts and leadership scholars reveal that this is not merely a precautionary measure. It is a reflection of the ongoing evolution in corporate policies, where performance milestones and succession planning go hand in hand, ensuring that the visionary legacy of a dynamic leader does not become an impediment to future innovation. This contrasting duality is further underscored when we compare Tesla's situation with other historical transitions in the corporate world. When Steve Jobs handed the reins over to Tim Cook at Apple, or when Jeff Bezos positioned Andy Jassy to steer Amazon, the underlying challenge was not simply finding a capable leader. It was about honoring a legacy while boldly charting a new course for growth and innovation. However, Tesla's scenario is uniquely complex. Musk's leadership style, a blend of audacity, innovation, and a personal brand that is inextricably linked to Tesla's identity, adds layers of complexity to the prospect of his eventual replacement. Unlike other transitions, where the legacy may be more diffuse, Musk's influence represents a concentrated force that any successor would have to contend with. The comparison with other successful successions provides a useful backdrop for understanding the stakes involved. History teaches us that a leader's departure does not inherently herald instability. Rather, it can initiate a period of strategic rejuvenation if managed carefully. Yet, as expert voices have indicated, the potential challenge here is the unparalleled nature of Musk's influence. Investment experts and corporate analysts are unanimous in their view. While succession planning is standard practice for any major company, the challenge lies in selecting a leader who can steer Tesla without being overshadowed by the omnipresent legacy of Musk's tenure. Acclaimed leadership expert Tim Quigley highlights one of the most daunting aspects of this transition: the concern that a successor could find themselves constrained by the very framework designed to ensure continuity. He warns that if Musk remains an ever-present figure within the organization, the new leader might struggle to establish their own authority, potentially hampering innovation and strategic agility. This commentary is not meant to undermine Musk's contributions, but rather to stress the importance of independent leadership. It suggests that while Musk's role remains critical, ensuring that the successor is empowered to effect change is equally vital for Tesla's long-term success. Furthermore, industry observers have expressed varied perspectives on the potential fallout of continuing to align Tesla's identity so closely with one individual. Some argue that such deep personal association can hinder objective decision-making and slow the evolution of corporate culture. As the narrative unfolds, it becomes apparent that the present compensation package is as much about incentivizing immediate performance as it is about preparing for an eventual, inevitable transition. A transition that, regardless of timing, promises to reshape the company's governance framework. In light of these deliberations, it is imperative to understand that the succession planning requirement is not an indictment of Musk's leadership. Rather, it is a strategic mechanism embedded within a high-stakes compensation package that serves as a safeguard against potential instability. It is a proactive measure, a clear signal from Tesla's board that while the present achievements are undeniably impressive, ensuring a resilient and adaptive leadership for the future is paramount. Through this lens, the package is emblematic of Tesla's broader commitment to excellence, a bold financial strategy intertwined with mindful vigilance about the future. As we stand at the crossroads of innovation and tradition, the story of Elon Musk's $1 trillion pay package serves as a microcosm of modern corporate challenges. It encapsulates the tension between maintaining a remarkable legacy and preparing for a future where transformative leadership is both celebrated and continuously renewed. This narrative, rich in ambition and cautious pragmatism, prompts a broader reflection about the responsibilities inherent in transformative leadership and succession planning in today's fast-evolving corporate world. In conclusion, Tesla's pay package for Elon Musk is a testament to the company's bid for both immediate triumph and enduring stability. It is an intricate balancing act, a sophisticated blend of performance incentives and foresight, designed to secure Tesla's future while honoring its present. As the world watches, and as industry experts weigh in, the true test will lie in how Tesla navigates the inevitable challenge of transitioning from one era to the next, ensuring that the spirit of innovation lives on unabated. For business professionals, investors, and technology enthusiasts alike, this report is a call to appreciate the forward-thinking measures being implemented by one of the globe's most dynamic companies. As we continue to scrutinize, analyze, and learn from Tesla's bold approach to executive compensation and governance, one thing remains clear. In the realm of corporate leadership, bold visions must always be paired with prudent planning. Stay informed, stay ahead.